Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these figures down like a hammer. You don't really know you.
It's Saturday. We're going somewhere. Yeah.
Bibili tayo action cam.
Hindi pa. But not now. Hulaan nyo kung nasan ka. Malayo to. City Center. Sharjah. Tara, tingin tayo. Uy, ang mahal ah. How old? Ito na. Today is Saturday. Oh my god, meron silang red. How much is this?
79.
No discount.
That's discounted.
Clinic Happy, yeah. Kaso kasi itong pabango nila. What? Ano gusto mo? Ito, inasal na pa. Wala bang mga 4-2 mo? Sige na.
Ano sige na?
Pecho ako kasi sampa.
$2.
What stuffed cheese?
May cheese ako.
It's good for one actually. It's good for two. Kala ko ba alam mo yun? Malaki yung 60 na yun, babe.
Ang bala. Kesa naman doon sa Chinese restaurant, di ba?
Ayan, gaganyan mo yan dyan. Tapos gaganyan.
60 isang oyster na napakaliit. You know it's
What?
What? May nuts.
Isa na lang, no?
Sige, isa lang.
It's 9.9 dirham, imagine. Hi, so we're going to the mall today, just checking some clothes para sa trip namin. So we're gonna check some boots and winter clothes. Hi!
Medyo pa ako.
Hawakan mo aking kamay. Whoa! Try mo na yan. Check mo. Uy! Parang sobrang haba naman.
Ano to? Premium to. Mahal.
459. It's 39. Look. Oh. We have one here also. Kaso extra small. Grabe naman. Cute din siya. Oh, this one is cute. Weekday. This one black, Dada. Try. Faster, ang bigat. Just try it. Yung iba naman dyan, ano eh. Wow, this one is cute. How much? It's 49. Mickey Mouse. And 59.
Mas maganda yun ang karoon.
Sukate mo muna. Stress sa'yo. Hala, yan. Ang okay din yan. Ang ganda. Oh, it's so cute. Ay, ka-size ni Zoe. 15 lang. Kunin mo yan. Alam nyo, isa to sa mga malaking brands Fairless na tapuntahan namin. Pero, bagong bukas lang siya dito sa Mega Mall. Well, Continental, 119 lang. Guys, I found one. Super cute. 59. Kala ko New Balance. Parehong-pareho ng design. Bye. Which one?
Yan.
To?
Girl.
Oh, girl? How would you fit this one kung ganito itsura ng yeah. This guy. Wow, this is cute. So, it's Zoe's time. Look, sobrang mura. 20. It's 18 to 24. This one is 12 to 18. 20. Disney. 20. Grabe ang mura naman. Look. Oh. 20 also. Can I have that? Thank you.
Hello?
So, can I like? Makaka-overwhelm siya. Wow. Okay, thank you. Hi! So, today is Friday. Medyo kakarating ko lang, mga 30 minutes ago. Umorder na ako sa Talabat ng lulutuin ko later. So, ang next ko naman is maglalaba. So, nagsalang na ako doon. So, dumating na yung order natin sa Talabat. This is worth 200 dirhams. In peso, it's around 3,000. Ganyan. So, ito yung order natin. So, ito yung order ko. Meron akong 25 dirham na discount. Tapos, pagka-order ko, dapat order ko sa isa pang store. Biglang may nag-pop up na may voucher ulit ako na 25%. So, sa Talabat na lang ulit ako umorder. Tapos, another 25. So, ang total na order ko ay 191.88 dirham. These are the food that I got. So, meron tayong potato, carrots, onion, and corn. Meron tayong chips. Ito ay 3 for 10, as I remember. And then, ito, nakita ko to sa Threads. Sabi masarap daw. So, try natin. And then, bumili din ako ng raisins. Mamaya gagawa ako ng onion with raisins. Korean fried chicken. And cordon bleu. Meron ako ditong legs. Tapos smoked beef sausage. So, meron ako ditong beef stroganoff, pero gagawin ko tong tapa. Ito naman beef cubes. Gagawa ko ng nilaga. So, dadagdagan ko na lang nito dito kasi masyadong konti. Tapos, ito na sila lahat. Ayan. Ito. Ayan. This one.
High volume. Am I really that much?